Happy holidays from all of us at Advanced Orthopedics and Sports Medicine Institute. We at AOSMI wish you and your family a happy and healthy holiday season. I am an orthopedic surgeon with advanced fellowship training in adult reconstructive surgery. That incorporates hip, knee, and shoulder replacement surgery. The majority of my surgical practice involves the treatment of osteoarthritis, which means damaged and wearing out of the joints, with state-of-the-art joint replacement prostheses. I'm often asked about my educational background. I attended college at the Cooper Union for Advancement of Science and Art in New York City. After college, I got accepted to medical school and attended UMDNJ, New Jersey Medical School in Newark, which is now known as Rutgers. Following that, I got accepted to Stony Brook for an orthopedic surgery residency program. And after completing my orthopedic training, I performed an additional year of subspecialty training in advanced reconstructive surgery, which basically means hip, knee, and shoulder replacement surgery. That was at the Desert Orthopedic Center in Las Vegas, Nevada. Every patient is different, even if their x-rays or MRIs or their diagnoses seem the same. For that reason, I like to get to know each patient. I ask them questions about their work, their hobbies, their activity level, and their goals of treatment. I ask about the amount of pain that they're in and the impact that their problem is having on their life. After reviewing all of that and then carefully looking at the MRI and the x-rays, together we come up with a treatment plan that best suits their needs and that can get them back to the lifestyle that they desire. Let's make 2022 your year of taking care of yourself. At Advanced Orthopedics and Sports Medicine Institute, we provide comprehensive care, from physical therapy and massage therapy to sports medicine, pain management, and even spinal surgery. We have the skills and experience to help you get back to the activities you love.